Bro, I'm about to try to get all this in the shot for the thumbnail. Hold on. Box right here. And whoa. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we get it? Hey, hold on. Oh, I don't know. Damn. Ma, what it do, broski? It's your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 wives checking in with another banger, broski. Hey man, I don't want to say I took a couple days off. It's just like I ain't want to force no uploads down y'all throat, and every time I drop, I for sure want them to be bangers, broski. So the past couple days, man, I've been picking up a little stuff here and there, and finally got my hands on them kicks, bro. You know what I'm saying? They finally came from StockX, if you don't know what I'm talking about. It's them Air Max 97, them gold joints, you know what I'm saying? I finally got them. Along with some other toys and fun stuff as well. And I'm gonna let y'all check it out, you know what I'm saying? Starting off with the Pops. The one that I dropped. Oh, rating, man. End up picking up rating, G. Pops that I want to collect, I want to have like all of the fighters, the video game fighters that I grew up fans of, and a couple of my wrestling guys, you know what I'm saying? A couple of my favorite wrestlers growing up as well. On the hunt for those Pops. Y'all gonna see a couple more of these guys popping up on the channel. I'm gonna let you check them out real quick. But yeah, check out Raiden, man. Ready to lightning bolt the shit out of bitch, you know what I mean? Hey, Raiden looking hard. Finally got Reptar some company. I know y'all done seen Reptar all over the place in the background. Finally got him some buddies to hold it down with me back here. So, throw Raiden right there, you know what I'm saying? What else I got? Qbert. Hey, Qbert just look cool as hell sitting up in the shelf, man. I couldn't leave him, you know what I'm saying? And too, I had just watched the movie Pixel for the first time. And if y'all seen the movie Pixel, then y'all know I'm fucking with little Qbert. Let you check him out real quick though. Hey, check him out, dog. Little Qbert look cool as hell. I don't know if it's gonna focus on him or my ugly ass, but yeah. Qbert look cool as shit, B. Fucks with it. These other Pops though, I just won one on eBay. I ain't gonna tell you who it is. I just won a hard ass Pop on eBay. And I think it's gonna instantly be my favorite Pop as soon as it comes. Until I get my other guys in, you know what I'm saying? But when y'all look in the background, bro, these shit's gonna be fire, bro. Watch. I ain't fucking around with a big dog. Sit Qbert right here in front of the bat brick. I don't think I showed this to y'all, but this is the Pharrell Williams mini bat brick. The homie Frey, you know what I'm saying? He blessed the office with this little piece. And I'm glad to have him, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, got the little baby I Am Other baby bat brick. I ain't taking this out of plastic. This junk still got the tape on it, you know what I'm saying? And lastly, we got my dog Luke Kane, man. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, I bicycle kicked the shit out of bitch with my dog Luke Kane. I'm gonna let y'all check him out real quick. And the only two that I'm gonna get from the Mortal Kombat pack is Scorpion. I'm gonna get Scorpion and Sub-Zero. And I think I'm gonna let the rest of them chill, you know what I'm saying? And just move on with the next set. But hey, check out Luke Kane, man. He'll bicycle kick your ass right now, bro. My dog, man. But yeah, bro, that's all my little Pop buddies I done picked up, you know what I'm saying? And definitely got some more on the way. So the outfits can look dope. And Preem, man. Got some Preem too, bro. I don't know if y'all was watching. I know the real model watching. And y'all know I said out of all the accessories I wanted. I only wanted the water bottle, these hair bobbies, you know what I'm saying? That's what these are, spoiled it. Bang, the little hair bobbies. And what else was it? The piece itself maybe, and the jars, you know what I'm saying? I can't even show y'all the jars right now. The jars ain't use, but here go the Supreme hair bows. Definitely one of these. Definitely one of these real bad, bro. Y'all never know, man. They might pop up in the ponytail in the cut real nonchalant, like just keep a lookout. But yeah, these gonna go hard. Throw on them Katrinas or something, throw these in a ponytail to the side, G. Boy cooking, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Young Rooster Man downstairs crying, so we're gonna wrap this up, G, real quick, like, you know what I'm saying? But Supreme hair bodies. Got them. Put them right there. And we got a little box. Dog, I forgot about this box, G. Whoa. Make sure I don't flip this joint up on the wrong end, you know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Check it out, bro. Y'all already know what it is. A little baby set for Young Rooster, man. Had to get him in the game, man. I got him the same gray champion t-shirt that I got with the little shorts. It's a gray short and t-shirt set. I mean, look at the little breakdown on the back, but yeah, man. Me and Rooster gonna be matching on them boys. You know what I'm saying? Gonna kill the game with this one. So yeah, had to get my little broski in the game with this jump. Sit that right there, and matter of fact, I can sit right here. Look camera right there. Y'all hold it down, you know what I'm saying? Anybody run up, do their ass in, G. Yeah, got my niggas holding shit down back there just in case anybody get crazy. But, last but not least, the box. You know what I'm saying? The kicks, man. This is a sneaker channel, man. I just showed y'all a whole bunch of bullshit. But I do appreciate if y'all watching up to this point. And I'm gonna slip the outfit in the end, so hey, y'all stick around, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna go into this too long, cause y'all done seen this before. Should have seen these before on multiple channels. Should have seen multiple reviews. Here go the box. Bottom of it anyway. What else we got? Oh, look, StockX put this in there this time. I got these joints from StockX too. And yeah. And now that these done came in, I think I'm about ready to do my whole spiel and my thoughts and my opinions on StockX. But let you peep the literature real quick on the Binocs. You can peep the literature right down the box. Matter of fact, we got some store tags up here. These came from Foot Locker. You know what I'm saying? That's what this little white tag is with the FTL. But really, that don't mean shit, bro, cause that can be replicated. You know what I mean? This little store tag you see right here can easily be replicated. So, you know what I mean? You gotta still know what to look out for, but it's nice to see it there. You know what I'm saying? Into the box. Okay. Let y'all check it out. Little receipt, official receipt from StockX. Got my address, so I ain't gonna hold that up too long. Got this sticker right here, StockX sticker. Nice. Well, I don't think I'm gonna put it on the computer though, you know what I'm saying? I don't rock with StockX that hard. It ain't gonna make it to the computer, but I'm gonna find somewhere to slap this at. Y'all know I love my stickers. It's just gonna go in the Supreme box and for right now. What's this? You came back to the future, thank you. Now that you're a StockX regular, a few things to remember. Free shipping after every 5 purchases. Track your buyer punch card at my account, buying and selling, simple. Flip your new pickups to cover costs on pieces you really want. You know what I'm saying? Pick your product, click sell. What can we do better? Subscribe and like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell. You know what I'm saying? Say that on the card. I ain't making that shit up. Some more shit on the back. Fuck that, man. Let's get to the kicks, G. Ooh. Alright. Alright, little StockX tag hanging on the back. You know what I'm saying? What we smelling like? Smell like a Foot Locker. The wait is over and I finally got these joints, man. Hard shoe, bro. You know what I'm saying? I done reviewed Mama Bear pair, so it really ain't nothing to talk about with the review, I guess. I don't think it is to do it for me to get this goofy ass tag off of here and throw them on foot, G. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna get it to the on foot. Y'all please stick around for those visuals. Hope you enjoy that and the music as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm your main man, DaveyMcFlyy. 2 Y's checking out. More bangers coming. You know what I'm saying? More bangers coming. I just ain't gonna force them down y'all throat, bro. And I really want to produce good content, so y'all keep mobbing with me, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, for real, for real. Shout out to all my youngins, OGs, day ones, and new members alike, bro. Mob. Ooh, quick 360. Quick 360. Quick, real quick. Hey. Yeah. Mob, we out, G.
Ain't no more sad song, come way too lit. Bitch, I'm almost rich. Ho can't tell me shit. And we started from the bottom, ho, we came from the brick, straight from the project. Now the house look like a lick. Look, my pop was dead and gone. Mom dude was in the mix. Ain't nobody perfect, dog. It took a while to learn that shit. It was hard to smile and shit. Same time nigga was trying to damage shit. Had to make the perfect world. At the time it didn't exist. So ain't no more sad song, come almost rich. Bitch, I'm way too lit. Ho can't tell me shit. And we started from the bottom, ho, we came from the bricks. Our project living. Now the house look like a lick. Ain't no more sad song, come way too lit. Bitch, I'm almost rich. Ho can't tell me shit. And we started from the bottom, ho, we came from the bricks. Our project living. Now the house look like a lick. On the cool, blowing big dope out the balcony. Super smooth, I hop out the whip, the hoe go talk to me. Going up and stop, damn, might just have to rap for me. Yo bitch flirting my DM, that hoe wanna sell for me. Told that bitch the dick ain't free, cause mama bad murder me. Nigga playing with my paper, instantly emergency. David Mac ain't losing shit, you the wrong side, I blew your click. Fuck the whole game up, bro, I came up on my dick. Ain't no more sad song, come almost rich. Long as sucker shit don't kill me, bro, I'm rapping till we lit. Ain't worried about no nigga, bro, we mob on a bitch. All my life I never switch, bro, do your thing, I never snitch. Bro, I know how shit go, gotta keep it on the low. Long as you go legit, God with you keep hope. Dog, you can't slime forever, trust me, this one here I know. Get that bread and go, for them fucking boy be at your door. And ain't no more sad song, bro, we almost rich. Bitch, I'm way too lit, ho can't tell me shit. And we started from the bottom, ho, we came from the bricks. Our project living, now the house look like a lick. Ain't no more sad song, cause we almost rich. Bitch, I'm way too lit, ho can't tell me shit. And we started from the bottom, ho, we came from the bricks. Our project living, now the house look like a lick, bitch. On the mob, bruh.